Uh, there is a war which has been going on between Norbert Mao, that is the DP President General, and also doubling as the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs. This war between Norbert Mao and Matthias Mpuuga has been going on almost since the time they were in DP. So Norbert Mao has always blamed Matthias Mpuuga for over being his political rival in a DP, trying to challenge him in different DP activities. And Norbert Mao has been holding different media interviews, press briefings, and sometimes you call these people pumpkins, watermelons. I remember that war between. I saw those videos. I think you remember those videos when Norbert Mao said uh, these fellow DP colleagues, former DP colleagues, the Segonars, the Nambozis, and the Matthias Mpuuga, that they are like watermelon. They're like watermelon. Today, inside they are yellow, inside they are red, but outside they are DP. They are they are green. So and also Nambos responded to him that if we are watermelon, then also you are a you are what? You're a pumpkin. Excuse me. You're a pumpkin. So this banter between Norbert Mao and these colleagues of DP, it's not new. Actually, I'm so excited somehow, and also concerned that the Mao has taken this banter to Parliament, jokes to Parliament. The constitutional amendments, constitutional reforms that this Matthias Mpuuga had presented, had proposed to EC or to the government, they arrived first before him. This is what Norbert Mao told him, that all your prayers, what you wish to do, all prayers arrived before you. So coming out to bring your proposals, these proposals came before you. And lucky that you're coming for president. So you're a very big stakeholder in this. I think didn't go well with the Matthias Mpuuga, because Matthias Mpuuga said you didn't respond well to you didn't respond to my question, and that's where even the deputy speaker told the parliament that he has answered but not your satisfaction. So we need, maybe I think something that I'm now noticing, it is this war. So for us, we thought that the exchange of these words, they have been just a joke, but this thing is serious. It is serious. Look at how Norbert Mao told this man, Matthias Mpuuga. Really, this is uncalled for. Some elites, they may troll you and in a very joking way. And when even people are laughing, when they were laughing, now like you see Semuji, when Semuji is speaking, Semuji says, when I speak and you keep cheering, I like that. When I'm speaking and you're cheering, I like that. For him, is roasting. and the people are cheering. The fellow colleagues are cheering. So this is what happened to today's session between Matthias Mpuuga and Nobert Mao. But I liked it. I liked it. I liked it really. I found it so funny. Yeah. I liked it. Mm. I liked it.
Seeking to become a national leader, obviously it is important that
That Mpuuga is seeking to become a national leader.
Obviously it is important that that the government is seen to be taking him seriously. But let me say that the Right Honorable Mpuuga has arrived, but these issues had arrived before him. For a minister to come here and does not answer directly the question you have asked, and simply veers into banter, is a problem. And then it disappears. And when we rise on procedural matter to put him correctly to answer the questions, Mr. Speaker, undermines our role of representation. I want to be on record that Honorable did not answer any.
Honorable did not answer any question, according to Mpuuga. But Speaker told him, no, he answered, but maybe you weren't satisfied. The General Court Martial is going nowhere, according to the CDF. And they will sit and discuss with the High Command. The High Command, the military, the security, and the state. They will sit and discuss the Supreme Court ruling and what follows. General MK Muhoozi even announced or revealed that their plans being mounted by the government through the Attorney General and through the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs to bring new amendments to Parliament so that they can legally bring back the General Court Martial. General Muhoozi, if you analyze his statement, he said the removal of the General Court Martial is a violation. To me, I'm just analyzing this statement, is a violation of the historical mission of the NRA, the NRM. Mufuna bulungi. The historical mission, the mission of why they went to the bush to fight. They went to the bush to fight several things. So, the mission of why they went to the bush, by removing the General Court Martial, means violating or disrespecting the reason why they went to the bush. And according to the CDF, he said, we won't allow this. Under whatever circumstances. We really need to quote some of these words. Under whatever circumstances, we can't abandon the military court martial. Under whatever circumstances. The circumstances may be by force, orders, maybe even there are several circumstances. Of course, you know these circumstances. They will never be that sort of abandoning the military to martial. But Muhoozi may put that disclaimer if you can analyze that. He asked the president to discuss this matter as soon as possible, find a way forward on this. But when you look at then when we look at the what Paul Lumumba said, this is Pan-Africanist. Lumumba said the decision these judges of the Supreme Court did, or their judgment, it was right according to the law and in respect of the judicial law. Their judgment was right. Even I've seen bits of people from even in India. I've seen in India countries, because even in when you look at the Chief Justice, mentioned that this judgment will be used by people and by different countries from different courts globally. I've seen in India hailing the Supreme Court of Uganda for this judgment. Kenya, I've seen some people. Kenya also saying this was a good judgment, historical judgment, and Uganda, that is a landmark judgment of stopping the subjection of civilians in military courts. The pro Lumumba, the Pan-Africanist pro Lumumba, said yes, you did a judicial, you exercised the judicial rights to pass this judgment, but you did a political. Some are looking at it as a political mistake. But in the next 50 years, you'll be vindicated by this political mistake. People, they will say, yes, these judges did the right thing in the years to come.